PG side, yeah.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh? Or disbursement on behalf of Mr. PG. When do you want?
After 4 weeks, Lordship.
It's the matter of 4 weeks.
I'd like.
May I please, your lordship? I pray to mention item number 15 and 16 of the daily list. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I am seeking adjournment. The matter may be listed after 3 weeks, lordship.
15 and 16 goes with 17 also.
Lordship,
It's get out.
lordship,
Item 17 also is there.
lordship, we have taken instruction from the other side, lordship. Highly obliged.
You are appealing for
Lordship, for the petitioner,
your good name, please.
A. Thakuria,
15 and 16.
15 and 16, lordship.
Request made by Thakur under the council for the 15 W6099 public 2016. When do you want?
Lordship, after 3 weeks.
The 17 is also connected.
17. Yes.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a matter for orders. The matter pertains to provincialization of service for the post of Sanskrit teacher.
Okay. 28.
28? Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 40 and 41, lordship. We have taken the consent from the other side, lordship. Matter may be kindly adjourned for the day, lordship, and may be taken after 2 weeks, lordship.
You are appealing for?
On behalf of Mr. D. A. Kayum, for petitioner.
On request made on behalf of Mr. D. A. Kayum under the council for the 15. When do you want?
After 2 weeks, lordship, any. Obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? I would like to mention item number 22. With the consent of the other side, can the matter be passed over for the day?
You are for petitioner?
Yes, yes, Lordship.
You are appealing on behalf of?
B. Bhuya.
Request made on behalf of Mr. Bhuyan, the council for the list after
Any date next?
1 week.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 to kindly pass over for the day, Lordship, as my senior Mr. P. Monto is out of station.
On request made on behalf of Mr. P. Monto.
Lordship, matter may be fixed on 25 October.
We'll have it on 30.
30.
30.
Deeply of which.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg for listing a read petition, Lordship, in withdrawal column, Lordship.
Okay.
For tomorrow, Lordship.
Not tomorrow. Friday.
Obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a matter for orders, which was last posted on 15/2024.
Okay, fourth.
Obliged, Lordship.
So let's say in item 14, let's say interim order is operating now. So that may be continued. Item 14. Yes. Obliged.
Item 1 of daily motion.
Item 1, similar cases has already been dismissed by the Honorable Court, lordship. I have a copy of this. A series of cases, lordship, that has already been dismissed. On the same matter, same challenge, lordship.
My lord, actually in this case, the present petitioner, as per the government notification, advertisement was published, and as per the advertisement, they were applied in due following the due process, and being the eligibility candidates, their verification process was started. And that time their advertisement was cancelled, your lordship. So the present petitioners, they are eligible, and as per the notification and advertisement, it was published, your lordship. So in the rule of the game has changed.
So the same ground.
Same notification they had challenge that has been dismissed.
Have you seen this order?
I have gone, my lord, but
I know that.
I have not gone, but I have the
years.
knowledge, my lord, that similar case has dismissed or disposed of.
Dismissed. And this is a motion of 2022. They have not been listed for last 2 years. They know that this case, similar cases have already been dismissed.
Yes, I may allow to withdraw, my lord.
You want to withdraw?
Yes.
Mr.
M.U. Ahmed.
M. U. Ahmed, London Council for the petition applies for withdrawal of district. Mr. S.M.D. Chishti, London Standing Council,
Secondary, no,
Yes.
secondary elementary board.
appears for the secretary. as
And
well as
elementary board.
the elementary education advance.
Okay.
Which petition is dismissed
468
on withdrawal.
2020.
Obliged.
Oblige you. To
May I please, your lordship?
It is a reconstituted for me. Under the instruction not saying. Yeah, there was an inquiry conducted by the SI of school. And now as per report, lordship, that petitioner may be allowed to, that managing committee may be reconstituted with the presidency of the registrar. Recommendation is there.
Inquiry report submit question.
Yeah.
No, this is from the district elementary education officer, isn't it?
Lordship,
Did you get any instructions from the director?
no, further instruction is not there, lordship. This the recommendation has been sent to the
Director, is it?
director, lordship.
Lordship,
Where has it been sent? Whether this recommendation has been sent to the director,
Lordship.
just check out. Otherwise, we can dispose of it.
yes, my lord.
Lordship,
In fact, my lord, yes, my lord.
No. You have instructions from the director. That's the main important issue.
Yes, my lord. This was listed on many occasions, my lord, giving them last opportunity, my lord. And they have not
Well,
filed an
lordship,
inquiry report till date, my lord.
this instruction has been
It is from the district elementary.
district elementary education officer, lord.
You have instructions from the director.
That instruction is not there, lordship. That
Get an instruction
lordship.
to tomorrow.
Next week, lordship.
No, my lord.
No.
My lord,
We'll have it on Friday then.
Lordship.
my lord, and can it be on Wednesday, my lord, because my lord, at least my lord, 13 times they have been given a chance.
Friday,
One last time.
Friday, lordship.
We'll list it on Friday.
Lordship.
Because my lord, the last order, my lord, lordship has already stated before them that this is the last opportunity, my lord, final opportunity, my lord. If they miss out, lordship will kindly dispose of this.
First, Mr. Z. Ahmad, then the council. On request made by P.N. Sharma. Then the standing council,
Elementary, lordship.
elementary education officer, please the matter on 25th October to enable him to receive it from the concerned director. It is made here, there shall be no adjournment in the next.
three.
Relates to NEET PG 2024, Lordship. My friend was required to send instructions in this matter, Lordship.
Have you been allowed in the counseling?
Counseling has not started
It
yet.
has
my
not
lord.
started. Lord.
It
Oh,
has not been
Has
notified.
not been started.
Not
Do you have any instruction?
My lord, I have not received instruction. Some more time may be granted, my lord. My lord, your lordship may take up in the next week, my lord.
Okay, third MP Sharma, then the council for the petition. On request made by DP Bora, then the nothing council held the party.
Yes.
When do you want?
My lord, on 30th, my lord.
Is the matter on 30 October to enable him to use. Interim order passed.
Obliged.
Four.
Please, your lordship. We were appointed pursuant to our selections in 1992, my lord. There were a series of writ petitions earlier. The lordship may come to page 68, the final order in the writ petition, pursuant to which we were appointed. Sorry, my lord, page 63. It's an order dated 26/3/24, my lord. On para two, respond number two, that is the Director of Secondary Education, Assam shall verify the claims of the petitioner as to whether they are entitled in law for appointment as assistant teachers on the basis of selections claimed by him. While considering the case of the petitioners, Director of Secondary Education, Assam will also consider the assertion made by the petitioners that the candidates who are below the petitioners in the merit list have been appointed as assistant teacher. The said director shall also consider a notification dated 3/12/2003. Upon such consideration, if the authority finds that the petitioners are entitled in law for appointment as assistant teacher, the necessary follow-up action shall be taken. Such follow-up action shall be completed within the period of 3 months from the date of receipt of certificate. So and so. After this, my lord, the appointment order was issued on the next page, my lord. But this was, my lord, on 30th November 2005. And we had joined, my lord, on 30th November 2005 itself. Now, the issue, my lord, was since the persons in the same select list, they were appointed prior to the coming into force of the NPS, my lord. We are also claiming our benefits under NPS. Today, my lord, a notice may be issued.
But Mr. P.T. Nair. Next, B Das, that is standing counsel, secretary.
Secondary education.
Appears for the respondents, 1,
4,
4,
4, 7, 8, 9.
7,
4 and 7,
1,
1, 4. Mr. A. Shalia, that is standing counsel finance, appears for the respondents, 2,
9.
No.
It's private.
6. Director accounts, 2 and 6. And Mr. Shakia, and governor, appears for respondents. Yeah. Extra copies of it to be different. Petition is accepted for service of 8 within 1 week.
My
List of the 4.
item 10 is also similar. Man.
Give me item 10. You also appearing item 10?
Yes,
Same-
your
same
lordship.
list.
Amount, huh? Third, Francis, MS, we can pay education appears for 1,
1, 4, and 7.
8 Jalial, that is standing constant. Finance appears for report number 2
And 6.
2 and 6. And MS DD Barman, additional senior account. Appears for respondents, 3 and 5. Petitioner to take as an extra copy, huh? Only 5. How about 3? Pension and public
Pension.
reward.
5 no hoy, 5 no hoy, 10.
10. Mr. Soikia was there.
Extra copy. Petitioner to take steps for service on respond number 8. By registered post 80 within.
Deeply obliged.
Deeply obliged.
5.
My lord, I retired as a headmaster of MBA school, my lord, on 39/99 in the old scale and till
39,
30/9/1999.
yes,
In the old scale, my lord, and I am not provided the new scale. And till then, till that, my lord, my representation dated 4/6/11 is pending, my lord. And now it is pending because of the fact that the original service book is not traced out. So I am suffering for that, my lord.
so it's the same course of action. In that, which petition is pending?
My lord, my representation is,
Petition is disposed.
Both the writ petitions are disposed.
disposed, my lord.
675 and 4145.
Yes, my lord. And direction is given to consider my representation, my lord.
Uh-huh. Then what happened after that?
Then it is still pending, my lord. This representation is not considered till date, my lord.
Yes,
And
Kaushik,
We'll have to take instruction.
who is your representation?
my lord, it is
Page 31.
Page
page
31.
31, yes, my lord.
To consider that representation, my lord, the Director Elementary Education called for the original service book from the pension department. on
I
page
am
39.
suffering for that, my lord.
And the
Because
pension department has given this photocopy saying that the original is not traceable in the director's office.
Which photocopy?
My lord, the page 39 your lordship will find.
it is page 40, my lord. It is stated that they have not traced out, my lord.
And page 40, Director of Pension has provided the service photocopy of the service book by saying that the original service book in respect of
not-
the petitioner
It not traced.
is not traceable.
Now, because of this, my lord, I am suffering, my lord. My age is now 84 years, my lord.
Well, I'll have instruction.
But Mr.
This is Shifukan.
This is under the council. Mr. B. Council. Standing council.
Elementary. Madam.
Elementary. List down. What?
2 weeks time.
84 years.
That is calendar instruction.
6 November.
My lord.
6.
May I please alone? My lord, kindly see the last order, my.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, here pursuant to Lordship order, Lordship, the verification process has been done, Lordship. We have also, the petitioner has been given a clean chit by the SEBA, Lordship. Now he's participating in the admission process, Lordship. If he's entitled, Lordship, then he'll get the seat. Now the process is going on.
Participating in the.
Yes, my lord, he has submitted the documents, my lord, on that day, my lord. Though his document was accepted, but he was marked as not.
No, that SEPA is.
Yes.
fine.
Now he's participating, Lordship. If he's entitled, he'll get it, Lordship.
Yes. My lord, matter we keep up, maybe taken after 1 week, my lord, for next.
Lordship
5
may have it on Friday, Lordship. By then, we'll have a more clarity because we have received instruction that he is most probably entitled to it, Lordship. This is, but that process is still going on.
Okay, but Mr.
AHMR.
Learn council. On request made by earlier, and the standing council,
Health Department, Lordship.
health and family welfare department. List the matter on 26 to enable.
Published.
That time I think you can.
Yes, Lordship, because they are aware, Lordship.
8.
May I please, Lordship? Why not? This is the second round of litigation, Lordship. In earlier round of litigations, your Lordship has directed the DLC to consider the claim of the petitioner for compassionate appointment. That is, your Lordship will find at page 37. 37, start to 36. Accordingly, Lordship,
Yes.
in terms of this order, Lordship, the DLC, Lordship, next page, Lordship, page 38.
1 minute. Yes.
And at page 38, this is the DLC by Lordship, by which Lordship the claim of the petitioner has been considered. page 39 and its serial number, lordship, page 40, serial number 7 has been recommended by the DLC meeting.
How is it?
My lord, page
Number 7.
7. Serial number, page 40.
How do we know that he has been recommended?
Yes, lordship, page 39.
Yes.
Page 39, the district elementary education officer Hailakandi had proposed 16 numbers of port-related proposal for EP category, including the proposal of so and so, below which is not port-related proposal, but has considered on the basis of commitment dated so and so made by so and so. And in the next, the House perused the particulars of 16 numbers of candidate of LP and where found 15 numbers of candidate eligible for assistant teacher post in EP category subject to verification of so and so, verification of income, employee certificate, circle officer, accordingly, lordship, this 15 name of 15 numbers candidates is given. I am in serial number 7. I have given the original, lordship, page 44.
Who is the original?
Page 44. This is the list of page 44 and 45.
Okay.
My lord, what happened? After that, lordship, the SLC has not considered. Although this minutes was recommended, lordship, on 19/9/2023. 19/9/2020, more than 1 year, lordship. They has not, lordship, the SLC has not considered. Now, lordship, they are taking the plea, lordship, the OM, that is page 59.
Was it placed before the SLC?
No, that was placed, lordship. It is learned that the proposal was placed. The recommendation of the DLC was placed, but SLC has not, lordship, recommended.
Rejected your matter?
No, has not considered, lordship, till date.
Not yet considered.
Not yet considered.
Who is that?
My lord, now, lordship, the OM has been, one OM has been issued, page 59.
Okay.
59. Your lordship is already aware about this OM. 18 September 2024. And 60, lordship, last paragraph is the relevant. Now, this poem is also challenged in this repetition also. Because my recommendation, lordship, was given prior to that.
31/3/2017.
Yes, lordship, that is the SLC recommended on 19/9/2023. This is for DLC.
Yes. Okay.
My lordship.
Are you challenging this OM?
No, my lord.
Yes, that is under challenge in this
Then
repetition also.
we have to issue notice.
My lord.
But M comes also. Issue notice. Second page. MSB, that's then it's Sunday Council, second page, appears for respondents, 1.
1. 4. And spectrum 6.
And put 2, 3 and 5.
Fiscal and governance, appears respondents, 2.
3 and 5.
Notice and respondents, however, it's the copy. Respondents allowed to file their. Use the.
9.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, petition pertaining to provincialization of the service of the petitioner, lordship. Lordship, petition was initially appointed as an assistant teacher in a Bensar LP school, lordship. That is page 23 and extra 2, lordship. Extra 2, lordship.
Yes.
Then, the lordship, the Name of the petitioner, Lordship, was recommended by the district level scrutiny committee, Lordship. Lordship, along with the headmaster, Lordship, petitioner was appointed as the assistant teacher. The name of the headmaster and along with the petitioner was the assistant teacher, Lordship. Lordship, kindly see page 27 and excerpt 4. This is the extract copy, Lordship, prepared by the district level scrutiny committee, Lordship. Lordship, serial number 190, Lordship, and column number, Lordship, 10, Lordship. Number 1, Motiur Rahman, AST headmaster, and number 2, Ms. Zahanur Khatun, AT, Lordship.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship. Then to Lordship, the service of the headmaster was provincialized in the year of 2015, Lordship. Lordship, kindly see page 28 and excerpt 5, Lordship.
Yeah.
And the name of the petitioner, Lordship, was dropped due to lack of professional education, Lordship. Lack of professional education, Lordship. Because, Lordship, at that time, petitioner was no, Lordship, ADL. Diploma of elementary education, Lordship. Lordship, after that, Lordship, petitioner has completed higher secondary final examination, and also the diploma of elementary education. Lordship, kindly see page 37, Lordship. Page 37. This is the certificate completed the diploma of elementary education, Lordship.
Yeah.
Then to Lordship, the petitioner, Lordship, submitted the documents before the authority, and thereafter, Lordship, district elementary education officer, Lordship, issued a letter to the block elementary education officer. Lordship, kindly see page 38 and Annexure 8. For submitting a proposal to Lordship, those service has not been provincialized, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, kindly see page 39 and Annexure 9. The block elementary education officer submitted a proposal to the district elementary education officer, Lordship. And thereafter, Lordship, petitioner submitted a representation ventilating his grievance to the district elementary education officer through the block elementary education officer, Lordship. Page 40 and Annexure 10, Lordship.
Yes.
Then to Lordship, the district elementary education officer forwarded the name of the petitioner with a format as prescribed by the authority to the director elementary education. That is page 42 and Annexure 11, Lordship. And the next page 43, Lordship, serial number 1 and column number 5, the name of the petitioner appears, Lordship.
Okay.
And column number 6, Lordship, it stated that yes, higher secondary arts Assam State Open School examination passed 2007 data so and diploma of elementary education kept second year final examination. And remarks, Lordship, dropped due to professional qualification, Lordship. Then, Lordship, the headmaster also, Lordship, submitted a format to the block elementary education, that is page 47 in Annexure 13.
Yeah.
Then, Lordship, the petitioner submitted as a next, Lordship, a similar order, Lordship, which is a page 49 in Annexure 15, Lordship. Lordship, there is some observation, Lordship. In the light of this observation, Lordship, the petitioner may kindly be disposed of, Lordship. Relevant portion is page, Lordship, 56, Lordship. 56. Para 20 and Roman 1, 2, and 3, Lordship.
In this case, it was rejected, isn't it?
Lordship,
By an order.
yes, yes, Lordship.
In your case, it has not been rejected.
My lord, it means that means since her name was not appeared in the provincial list, it was dropped due to lack of.
No, that was
qualification.
dropped.
Yes, yes,
After that,
yes, yes.
after you got your
Yes, Lordship.
degree,
Yes, Lordship.
then your name was forwarded.
Yes, Lordship.
Then what happened after that? Sir?
Your Lordship, that part have to get my instructions. Otherwise, if we look at the page 27, my lord, as on page 27, he was a HSLC pass. As on 27, that is this is particulars for provincialization, venture education. That is there.
After that, she
Has got her thing, my lord. If your Lordship comes to page 37, it is on in 2019. That is 2012, my lord, she was HSLC, and 2019 she has got the my lord, the DL page 37 is the DLF. Your Lordship sees the bottom. It's given 26/11/2019.
Yeah.
Yes.
So there has been considerable time. And my lord, otherwise 5 years is the time, I think, my lord. And then my lord, so Lordship will issue notice now. I will get my instructions and file an affidavit. Because of the fact that the facts of this case and the other case which he has brought in are totally different, I think. Here, my lord, 2019 he has got his degree. 2012 his name was sent. He first of all should have come beforehand, my lord, because of the fact that he has come in 24. All this while he was, my lord, he should have come before, my lord. And even the DLED, if 2012, if your lordship sees that 2012, if his name was sent and rejected, as he himself claims, then 2012, from then 5 years, my lord. So he should have come before and he should have got his degree, but he has got it in 19. That those aspects also have to be seen. So therefore, my lord, lordship will issue notice. I will get my instructions.
My lord, for a moment, Lordship, my respectful submission is that Lordship kindly see for a moment page 30, Lordship. When the Lordship, her name was not appeared in the provincialization, Lordship. Then she prosecuted a Lordship higher secondary examination is Lordship in the year 2016. And then the Lordship, kindly see page 31, Lordship. This is the mark sheet, Lordship, of the higher secondary examination. Thereafter, she prosecuted Lordship diploma of elementary education.
Oh, that we have.
Lordship, my learned friend is a dead time, perhaps it is a time but no, my lord. Within the stipulated time of 5 years, Lord, she has completed her entire professional education and also the general education, that is the higher secondary, Lordship. Lordship, my respectful submission is that my lord, the petitioner may be directed to submit a fresh representation.
When was your name dropped?
Lordship, in the year 2015, Lordship, her name was not appeared in the Lordship, kindly see page 28. Yes, Lordship, 2022 April 2015. And within the 5 years, Lordship, she has completed her educational qualification. My respectful
Instructions.
I'll take instructions. My lord, I'll take instructions first. If then required, I'll.
Mr. The standing council.
Well, elementary
education department shall take instructions. When do you want?
After the after 10 days maybe.
Okay. List on 8.
Deeply obliged.
11, no steps.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, today I have taken steps, Lordship, upon the response number 3 and 4, Lordship. There is an order of this Lojima Court, Lordship.
You did not appear before the
Lordship, unfortunately, that is, Lordship. And today I have taken steps.
Mr.
N. Hawk, Lordship.
N. Hawk, learned counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioner has taken steps for service of notice on the respondent by registered post AD.
Lordship. As well as usual process.
As well as by usual process. Today, this morning. Accordingly, please the matter of the poll.
12.
Lordship, I am on behalf of D. Medhi. This matter may be withdrawn, Lordship. The petitioner is not in touch with us.
Simple withdrawal or with liberty?
With liberty, Lordship.
Mr.
BLESK, Lordship.
D.
BLESK. On behalf of D Medhi, Lordship.
You got his name?
BLE Sheikh.
D. Ali Sheikh.
Lordship.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Methi.
D Medhi, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the praise for withdrawal of this petition with liberty to file afresh. Mr. N. Fukan.
A. Fukan.
A. Fukan, the responding counsel
Elementary, my lord,
appears for the elementary education department. This petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as treatment.
Obligation.
18, admission. Eighteen.
On the list for the petition. List of the groups.
19.
Okay. When this matter was called up on 17/1/2017, none appeared for the speech. On 18/5/2020, none appeared for the speech. Today when the matter is called up, none appeared for the according to the petition is dismissed for none.
20.
My lord, may I please your lordship, matter pertains to non-payment of date cum retirement benefit, my lord, for the service rendered by the deceased petitioner's husband, my lord.
Yes. Elementary.
They have taken different occasion, my lord. My lord, I am already, my lord, similarly situated person at the dispose of my lord dishonorable court. Squarely covered, my lord. This judgment. Let him provide me a copy, my lord. I will examine it. It is squarely covered, my lord.
You go to this, we'll take up, we'll take a bit.
No.
But Mr.
A, go ahead.
Go ahead and look on. Which was made by the council. Elementary education department. When do you want?
Friday, my lord, or next Monday.
It's on 28 October. MS.
C. Borwa.
C. Barrow, let us for the response number.
S1 number 3.
Public accountant general.
21.
May I please your lordship? This matter relates to my lord area salary matter. The petitioner is still working. Last occasion, my lord, they have taken time, 2 weeks time for full instruction, my lord.
Yeah, instruction. Will give us some time to get the instruction.
Almost 1 year, my lord.
Okay. Third, Mr.
H. Rahman.
H. Raman. H. Raman. On request made by vehicle, study for. 11 feet.
11 feet.
11 feet.
No, it is.
How much time will require?
2 weeks, Miller.
2 weeks time is a lot to file, to receive.
My lord, date may be fixed, otherwise it will not come, my lord.
Restore. Okay, 11.
Alright.
23.
Last occasion, they have taken time to file affidavit, my lord.
23. 11-3.
Will give us 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Last time also you were given 3 weeks time. That was in 2023.
It's skipped because of the vacation. We'll file our affidavit.
Okay, third A go in and the conflict. On request made by vehicle to apply something conflict. For the 3 weeks time is allowed to file contract. List of the 3 weeks.
24.
May I be a lordship? Lordship, item 24, 25, and 27. A similar matter. I mean, the cause of action and relief software are same, my lord. We are supposed to file a reply affidavit, my lord. We could file only on in 24. 25 and 27, my lord, we have already informed. So all the matter may be heard together, my lord.
No, 24 is separate.
No, my lord, 24, 25, 26 is separate, my lord. Somehow it came in with us, my lord.
26 also going to same. Similar matter, my lord.
26, he is appearing for 26.
26, my lord. I mean.
Similar matter.
Similar matter.
No, but 24 is separate.
No, my lord, same, similar
It is
matter.
listed separately, but today.
My lord, 24, 20, listed separately, my lord. Listed separately, but the matter are same, my lord. Relief sought for and cause of action are same, my lord.
Okay.
So, my
What do you want?
lord, both the three matter may be heard together, my lord. And the meeting may be some given time, my lord, to file our reply affidavit. We have already informed, my lord. They are from the remote village of Sitsagar district, my lord. Some time may be given and.
Okay, then on request made by Mr.
M.U. Ahmed.
M.U. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. When do you want?
My lord.
How much time will require?
After 3 weeks, my lord,
This is the matter of actually.
all the matter may be come along with
In
together,
the
my lord.
Item
24, 25, and 27.
1 minute.
26.
25, 26,
26,
and 27.
26 also, my lord.
On request made by M.U. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Appearing in WBC 7627 of 2017 and WBC 4777 of 2017. List these matters after 2 weeks.
26 also, my lord. 4189, my lord.
It will come together, but
Lord,
only.
oblige.
Oblige.
29 and 30.
Lordship, here in this matter, Lordship, Mr. K. Gogoi will appear, Lordship. Today he has some difficulties, Lordship. Can this matter be taken up on a hearing date, Lordship?
On a hearing day.
Yes, Lordship.
My lord, it is unfair, my lord, to the petitioners, my lord. 3 years they've taken time for filing affidavit. And the last occasion they said that the file is missing. And what is this, my lord? It's
Lordship, we have
covered-
reconstructed.
Absolutely covered case, my lord.
Because exactly same issue has been decided by Rosary.
But
Punjab and Haryana. Mumbai High Court.
When is Gogoi coming?
Lordship, he is here, Lordship. He is in some other court, Lordship. Today he has some difficulties, Lordship. On Thursday, Lordship, there.
My lord,
As they
as did, my lord, I have some difficulty, my lord.
Then on next Tuesday, lordship.
Tuesday, 29.
Next Monday, my lord.
Monday is not a hearing day. You want it on a hearing day.
My lord, the matter is totally covered case, my lord.
That's
My lord.
fine. If
And
you want it on Monday, I am fixing a Monday. If you want it on a hearing day,
my learned friend always appearing, and today said that Mr. Gogoi will appear. From the very beginning, my learned friend is appearing in this case.
Learned counsel. On request made on behalf of Mr. K to put standing counsel hired. When?
24th, my lord.
24.
24. Last and final chance, my lord.
Is it okay?
Yes, lordship, on 24.
24.
Obliged, lordship.
Okay, Mr. S.T. Roy, London Council, appears for the respondent. In WBC?
Both 29 and 30. WBC 4721.
All right.
31.
And Mr. S.K. Das, London Council, appears for the respondent.
31. Thirty-one.
Infection का कहना चाहिए.
Yes, BTC.
Each of them was here.
Call him. We'll take out the stuff, right? You get all of them.
32.
But in this matter, some instructions are awaited, Lord.
Yeah, you said that his matter would be placed before the
Lord.
executive council.
Lordship, due to vacation, Lordship, in the meantime, I could not communicate with the authority, Lordship. Lordship will take up after 2 weeks, Lordship. In the meantime, I will have some instructions.
But Mr. J. Batwari, then on request made by Mr. P. Nayak, standing council. 2 weeks time is allowed to enable him to receive. This.
Okay.
34, 35.
Please, your lordship. That impugn order is, my lord. At the last page, my lord, page 31, my lord, that a person, my lord, regular employee is converted to the tutor, my lord, without any proceeding, my lord. That BTC, my lord, that
BTC. Yes, Chaudhary.
German. That earlier occasion, my lord, several occasion, master, my learned friend, my lord, have taken time.
Lordship, in item number 35, we are filing the affidavit today. The officer is coming down. Lordship, just 1 day time, Lordship.
How about 34?
34 also, Lordship, is the
same matter, will cover me.
So you
it will be filed.
filing today?
Yes, Lordship, the officer is coming down just 1 day, Lordship.
Copy to the other.
Okay, heard Mr. C. Goswami, learning council.
Yes, I will be
Mr. D. Chaudhary, understanding council, DPC submits that affidavit will file within a period of 2 days from today. Accordingly, please submit it after 1 week.
Yes,
37, 38.
Whether you could not file reply due to some typographical mistake, a short date may kindly be given so that you can file the same within a day or two.
Reply.
Yes. Maybe fixed within 1 week also, we are ready.
Okay, on request made by Mr.
Yes, Amit,
S. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner.
petitioner.
Please, Dr. Wanu.
Hello.
Please go.
Huh?
Please go to, there is some urgency like.
Okay, call him. Okay, please don't port. Port of now. I'm listing it on port.
Online.
Order.
Forty-two.
Item 40. Four, item 40 loss.
42.
Item 40 has been
Yes, yes.
adjourned.
Adjourn in the morning.
44 loss, even item number 44. Item 44 loss.
I'm on 42.
Loss, sorry.
Okay. None appears for the petitioner. Stop. The proceedings of the Lavazima board dated 24/6/2024 indicates that none appeared for the petition on that date. And no steps were taken for service of office on the respondent side. Accordingly, the petitioner was granted 7 days time to comply. With the order of the Lavazima court dated 5/6/22. No, cancel. Just the cancel the whole order. The proceedings of the Lavazima board dated 24/6/23 indicate that none appeared for the petitioner on that day. Further, almost. It is also reflected that the Lavazima court on 5/6/2024 had directed the petitioner to take fresh steps for purpose of office upon respond of the file by a registered court. However, such steps were not taken. And accordingly, the petitioner was directed to comply with the directions of the Lavazima court dated 5/6/2024 within 7 days. Today, when the matter is called, none appears for the petition. Accordingly, petition is dismissed for nothing.
43.
Take note, none appears for the Who's happening? Mr. B. Council, standing council.
Secondary.
For the second. Please.
44.
In this case, Lordship, the petitioner has taken back the file to engage in another counsel. Lordship. My submission may be recorded, Lordship. I am not, at present, Lordship, I am not in this case, Lordship, because the file has taken back. Although I was the engaged counsel of the, on behalf of the petitioners.
Mr. M. Standing counsel for the petition. Submit that the petitioner has taken back the file from him. And therefore, he is no more representing the registry is direct to notify the petitioner for engaging a new conference. Next slide. Next slide, sir. 2 weeks.
45.
Please, please, your lordship, it may be taken day after tomorrow. Some instruction must be received.
You are
On behalf of Rakesh Dubey.
on request with on behalf of our mail and the conflict list after 1 week.
46.
This interlocutory application has been filed for restoration of WBC number 7948 of 2018, which was dismissed for non-publication by order dated 1911. When the matter was called on 26/9, none appeared for the applicant. On 10/4/2023, when the matter was again called, none appeared for the applicant. But today, when the matter is called, none appeared for the applicant. Accordingly, I is dismissed for not being.
47.
47 lordships, the director has issued an compliance order regularizing the period from 1/9/1997 to 9/8/2000 lordships, and directed the inspector of school lordships Sirang to submit a proposal for the payment of area salary. Now Sirang is under BT, he is not under our lordship, so we have communicated to the IS. This is the. Now it is pending
Lordship,
before
some
the IS.
process is going on, Lordship, for payment. What I'll be paying, Lordship, the matter may be adjourned for some more days. In the meantime, matter may be resolved, Lordship. But there's some process, as per my instruction, a latest communication was issued on 18/10/2024, which has been not marked to me, but
But direction to regularize, that has been done.
and payment of arrears salary is also under process.
Okay. Heard, Mr.
S. Chakraborty.
Okay, come tell it. Mr. SMT Chishti, on the council appearing.
What are respondents secondary?
For the respondent
Yes.
has produced an order dated 16/10/2023, issued by the Director, Secondary Education Department, whereby the petitioner. Whereby the case of the petitioner was considered. And
Service period before 10/9/97.
no, where it is stated that the service of is that the case petitioner may be considered for grant of salary salary as well as other constitutional benefits for the get period with effect from 10/9/1997 to 19/8/2000. He also submits that the order has been forwarded to the
To the IS Sirang Lordship, Inspector of School Sirang,
to the inspector of school
Sirang under BTC.
Sirang with a direction to submit necessary proposal. Stop. For Mr.
S. Chakraborty.
S. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner. Praise for to enable him to receive instruction.
I have,
After
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship, I have another prayer, Lordship. I have been newly engaged in the petition, in the case.
the order,
My,
order dated 16/10/2023 on the portal.
in this case, Lordship, I am newly engaged, Lordship. May I pray that my name may be reflected in the cause list?
The registry is also directed to reflect the name of Mr. H. Chakraborty as the learned counsel. I bring the petition because
Oblige, Your Lordship. 48. Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, may take up next week, Your Lordship. In fact, Your Lordship, what has happened, Your Lordship, the copy of the writ petition, Your Lordship, which originally filed, Your Lordship, was not with me, Your Lordship. I could not go through that, Your Lordship. Otherwise, Your Lordship, this has come after Your Lordship may kindly come to page 47, order of the Honorable Division Bench, Your Lordship. Page 47, Your Lordship. In fact, without considering the prayer made by us, Your Lordship, in the main writ petition, Your Lordship, this order has been passed. By the-
okay, on request made by us. Please, after 1 week.
Lords. 49.
Yes,
Yes, Lordship, here we have already, Lordship, the cabinet has already approved for the amendment of that service rule, that particular rule, Lordships. Now process is going on, Lordship, so it will take some time. So we have already amended, that has been amended also, Lordship, the rule. For promotion of the grade 4 employee, Lordships, earlier there was no provision in the rules. Now that cabinet court has directed to, by in this order, Lordships, to frame the suitable provision. It was placed before the cabinet has given approval and rule has been amended. Now process is going on. It will take some time.
When did the cabinet take it?
That exactly not there, but the initial letter also it is there in the first forwarding letter. So let it come after 4 weeks, let the process take.
But Mr.
A. Hussain.
A. Hussain, that's the problem. Mr. S. Chishti, learned counsel. Appearing on behalf of the respondent number 6.
Yes, 6 also for respondents will lost me kindly. I can appear for all.
For the respondents. Have furnished a communication dated 9/10/2024. Written by the Joint Secretary to the Government of Staff, Department of School Education, wherein it states that the proposal for amendment of the Assam Secondary within bracket provincialized school within bracket fourth amendment service rule 2024 has been approved by the cabinet. And according steps have been taken for amendment of
And the follow-up process.
for
For compliance.
amendment and to take follow-up process.
To comply with the direction of the court.
He therefore prays for how much time?
How much time they can, sir?
To enable him to listen to the application. Based on this
In 50 on last occasion, I had given the compliance order. It's supposed to be close to the lawsuit.
Where's Mira?
He was on last two occasions, he was there. Today was only order to be passed lawsuit.
Who is your complaint order?
It doesn't instruction more detail last date.
You have a copy of it?
Yes, no, right now I don't have lawsuit. Last occasion I have submitted. Can I check the file notice? I can.
I'll fix a date with.
Yes.
None appears for the petition. Mr. Assembly Kishti letter council appears for the.
But sole respondent.
For the sole.
Friday lawsuit, otherwise it is unnecessarily been dragging on.
Again or 25th.
Yes. Oblige you.
51.
Meet with the lordship. Lord, in this matter, by order dated 22/4/2024, this honorable court directed the respondents to produce the status report with regard to the enquiry caused by the committee. Fourth paragraph. Submit. Mr. Bora, learner standing counsel BTC shall on the next date fixed submit a status report with regard to the process as adopted by the committee for the inquiry undertaken and progress as made as of 17 May 2024 in the matter. This is basically, my lord, illegal appointment of teachers in BTC, my lord. And this honorable court wanted to know what action has been taken against the hearing officer.
Mr. Bora.
BTC illegal appointment of teacher or action.
I still inform as Bora Lordship, possible for time being Lordship.
Timing.
53.
May it please your lordship. My lord, kindly produce the order dated 14/6/24, my lord. We are supposed to file the amended cost title, my lord. We have filed today, my lord. And the state has not filed any affidavit till today, my lord, including BTC, my lord.
When you have filed your amended.
Today, my lord.
Only today.
Yes, ma'am,
You
today.
Complain that the state.
Yes, ma'am.
They have not
Yes,
filed
sir.
the-
No, only what happened, my lord, the private respondent has filed impleadment petition. Accordingly, he was impleaded. And for that, my lord, cost title was directed to, it may be listed after 2 weeks, my lord. Meanwhile,
Mr. G. Vaishya.
my lord,
Learned counsel.
Your lordship, I may be allowed to, I am for the private respondent number 7. My name was not reflected in the cause list. That may be reflected and one date may be fixed. Your
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has filed the amended cost title this morning. So, accordingly, this, the matter of the two. Registry is also directed to reflect the name of Mr.
You Saikia.
U. Cycle and counsel appearing for the respond number 7 in the cost.
One date may be fixed, your lordship, because their post was vacant and I was being selected.
Cycle, G. Vaishya, the counsel. And press that the matter it is to the. 6. No, after 2 weeks. The 20, respect the name of list the matter of 6.
In the meantime,
Publish,
state
ma'am.
may file their affidavit. Publish.
84.
Fifty-four.
None abuse for the. Peruse the proceedings, the Lavazima court dated 2019-2022. Notice on respondent, what shall be taken. This after 2 weeks.
55.
May it please your lordship. Well, in this case, earlier I have taken steps for response number 3. AD card was received back, my lord, but there was no seal. That's why honorable court has directed me to take fresh steps. Accordingly, I have taken, my lord. Just
When
now,
did he take?
my lord, kindly see office note 24/9/24. And office note 58. I have taken fresh steps.
Respondent number 3.
Yes, my lord.
Who's respondent 3?
Respondent number 3 is my lord principal. Okay, high school, my lord.
Can you take custody service?
My lord.
Custody?
Yes, my lord, that can be done because notice was issued in May, my lord. I'm taking steps again and again.
On request made by MS.
As well.
As for the council. The petition is direct requested for service on the respond number 3 by service. Within a period of 1 week?
Yes.
1 week. Draft petition is filing. This after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
All right.
56, 57.
Sir, I have 54, Lordship. Item 54.
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, I have filed one affidavit.
You wait for your turn.
Lordship, no, it is over, Lordship.
That's why you wait for your turn. Let the other.
I am appearing for writ petitioner opposite party in the IA lordship. IA filed by the state for vacating of the interim order.
Yes, I care.
57, 657. GA. GA, huh? GA calculated. IA. In fact, this IA is not maintainable because
D not was appearing on the left. My lord. I don't think please to take out.
any other day lordship.
Or any other. You appearing? On request made on behalf of Mr. D Nath, the senior governor. List after 1 week.
This IA has been filed with a prayer for directing the authorities to produce the relevant file because our cases were considered during the relevant point of time, my lord.
In the main case, they have filed affidavit, but in the IA, they are supposed to file affidavit.
Lordship, here in the main case, we have filed our affidavit. The petitioners were illegally and irregularly appointed teachers. They have been accommodated as tutors in terms of the cabinet decision of 2022. Lordship, may kindly peruse our affidavit, Lordship.
No, no, that we have seen. How about the records? In the IA.
In the IA, Lordship. That record. Perhaps on the last occasion, my learned colleague, somebody else appeared, Lordship. I think I didn't, Lordship. Lordship, may fix after 2 weeks, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, in the main case.
One request made by DN Sharma, the consulting council. Education, elementary.
Lordship.
Elementary education department, please, after,
2 weeks, Lordship.
That may be fixed, madam.
leave the matter on. 11th.
59.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner as well as opposite party number 1, Lordship. Lordship, here the response number 2 is the main party, Lordship. Director,
Who's filed this IA?
I have filed by the private respondent, Lordship. And here the affidavit in the of the response number 2.
Filed the objection?
Yes, Lordship. I
Have
have.
you filed your objection?
Yes, Lordship.
Who appears for the IA?
I am Mr. J. Abedin. So let the respondent number 2 file their affidavit, Lordship, because it is required, Lordship.
Who's the respondent number 2?
Respondent number 2 is the Secretary Education Department, Borderland Council, as well as respondent number 3, Director of Education, BTC, Lordship. Until and unless they file these respondent number 2 and 3 come with their stand, Lordship may not be in a position to dispose of property, adjudicate them.
They have placed the earlier instruction, Lordship, which is in the file, Lordship.
Okay, none appears for the applicant. Mr. Arda, none of council. Appears for the opposite party number 1 of the petition. List after 2 weeks.
Let them file the affidavit, Lordship.
Yeah, meantime you file it.
Okay.
3 weeks, can it be, Lordship? Can it be 3 weeks, Lordship? If-
31.
Yeah, similar to matter relating to a pensionary benefit, my lord. And the pension, although my lord,
Yes, you have any instructions on this?
Lordship, my concern is that Lordship, after getting the clarification, the Secretary BTC has forwarded it to the Borderland Welfare Department of the state government. It was done only just before Puja vacation. Lordship may allow me another 2 weeks time. In the meantime, what development has taken?
When was it forwarded?
Lordship, on 5th, Lordship. 5th of August.
Okay, first, Mr.
the my lord provisional pension order has been passed. But from February till date, no payment has been made, my lord.
Lordship, initially it was given for 6 months. The extension order has also been issued today, Lordship, that I have been informed. He will be getting it, Lordship.
But it's not the council for the petition. Mr. B out. Then standing council petition. Submits. That the clarification submitted by the Director of Education BTC to the Secretary Education BTC on 11/9/2024 has been forwarded to the Secretary Welfare of Woodland Department on
5th of October.
5/10. He therefore prays for some time to enable him to receive update. How much time?
Lordship, let it come after 2 weeks, Lordship, in the meantime.
A date may be fixed, otherwise, my
Yes.
lord, it is difficult to.
List on 13.
Bless.
51.
Here, well, development is that their committee has been constituted. Two meeting has already taken place. One meeting has taken place on 19/4, and second meeting has taken place on 16/8, my lord. But civil, I will finally say status report. Ultimately, within a month or two, my lord, this final call will be taken by the committee. My lord.
Do you want to file a status report?
Lordship will file a status report.
Let him file his status report.
Fine, Mel. Fine.
But Mr. H.K. Das.
In fact, the direction to file the status report was already there in the previous order, my lord.
Stop. Mr. H. Koral, Sunday Council, praise for how much time? 1 week?
Lord, let it be 10 days, my lord.
Praise for 2 weeks. To file status report. Praise the Lord. Please.
Well,
Item 1 of production.
deeply obliged.
Kritika query.
I'll come up. I'll come up. Yes. Yeah.
Access 6 has to be countersigned by the Director of Tea Welfare and Adivasis. That is at page 66. Page 66. The countersign signature was given by the Deputy Commissioner, but on the left-hand side, the Director of Tea Welfare and Adivasis didn't sign, affix the countersign. Then we came to know that at page 69, Your Lordship,
yes,
the director has sent the cast to be scrutinized by the DC. If I may read the first paragraph, Your Lordship. With reference to the subject and letter cited above, I have the honor to inform you that objection raised regarding the authenticity of the caste certificate of number of candidates, that is Khushi Patwari, that's and Smith Kritika Query, that is a petitioner. It's a second name. So and so. Accordingly, the second paragraph, the undersigned has requested your good self to re-verify, re-inquire the caste status on urgent basis, confirming that whether these candidates belong to Tea tribes and Adivasi community of Assam, so and so, to the caste certificate issued by your goods office prior to counseling date at the Director of Medical Education Assam. Then, Your Lordship, at next page, page 71. Though the DC cannot verify, as Your Lordship knows, as per the direction of the Honorable Supreme Court, but still the DC did the verification and found the caste to be genuine. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that the verification of caste certificate in respect of Kritika Query, that is a petitioner, so and so is found to be genuine as per the Circle Officer Teshpur Sadar report. In spite of this, Your Lordship, at page 72, the Director of, again, Tea Welfare and Adivasis, at the last paragraph, under the circumstances, I would like to request you to re-verify the caste certificate, so and so, of the petitioner. So again, ask for re-verification. In the meantime, what has happened, Your Lordship, at page 74, the first counseling was already over by this time. 74, they notified the second counseling and the third counseling. They were to be held together. That is on 14th of October at the top, Your Lordship, date. And whereby it notified that on, if Your Lordship sees the table below, the online registration will be held on 16/10, just 1 day. So we had to do the online registration, Your Lordship, without the annexes 6 being countersigned by the Director of Tea Welfare and Adivasis. Otherwise, our registration is complete in all respect. We are given complete, and the results at column 5 would be today. And the reporting on joining would be 22nd and 23rd. So, Your Lordship,
so you have missed all the counseling.
No, I have done the counseling.
Oh, you have
done the counseling. I've given the for registration. I have given all the documents. Only my annexure 6, only with the signature of the DC I've given. Countersign has not been done by the director. So I pray before Lordship that my provincially my admission be given without insisting on the countersign of the Director of Tea Welfare and Adivasis. And this verification, asking for verification by the DC itself is wrong in view of the notification and the direction. So the entire exercise of him refusing to sign when there is a valid caste certificate is totally wrong, and it's exercise of jurisdiction in a very arbitrary or unlawful manner.
Who appears to the director, T welfare?
And there, your lordship, one more thing, that 3 seats are still available. And in the first counseling, for the quota with XTGL, TGL, for the candidates with 343 marks were filled up. I have scored 405. So there's a very much possible chance of me getting the seat in this remaining 3 seats, if they consider my admission, without insisting on this.
My lord, I am appealing for the director. My lord, after signing by the caste certificate by the deputy commissioner, some complaint has been filed. And after the complaint, my lord, director at 3 times, my lord, he sent to the deputy commissioner to place the matter before this caste scrutiny committee.
Let us see that letter.
My lord,
Let us see that letter.
my lord. First one is the, my lord, that is the public notice, my lord, issued on 20 June 2024. First page, my lord, serial number 5 is the petition.
This one.
This one. That is the public notice, my lord.
What is this public?
My lord, here, my lord, serial number 5 is the Pitika Devi, that is the petition.
What?
My lord, who has seeking the quota under TGL and XTGL category. Their objection call form from the public, my lord. Next, again, it has issued on 2nd July 2024. Same serial number 5 is petition.
Okay.
Thereafter, my lord, that 5724, my lord, this complaint has come. And again, another complaint, my lord, that is 17/7/24, my lord. 17/7/2024. Sah Janajatiya Jatiya Sammilan, they have also raised an objection.
Yes.
Next, my lord, on 16 July 2024, it has forwarded to the President Sah Janajatiya Jatiya Sammilan of form to verification, field verification, my lord, as per the government procedure.
What is this? Jatiya?
Jatiya Parikshot, they are the authority who will conducting the field verification, my lord. There is a government notification issued in 2022, my lord. Who have caste dispute, my lord, they will field verify, they will verify it on field, and thereafter they will prepare a report, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, last page on 23rd July 2024, my lord, there we write to the deputy commissioner, my lord.
Are you supposed to write to the deputy commissioner or do you, what?
Caste scrutiny
No,
committee.
my lord,
Caste
no,
scrutiny.
my lord,
And your lordship,
we have to send to the deputy commissioner.
Uh-huh.
This letter has been issued to the deputy commissioner, my lord.
Okay.
Deputy commissioner will place before the Social Justice and Empowerment Department.
Let them please.
That has not been done.
And that part, my lord, I have to obtain instruction. Just I am trying to obtain instruction from the concerned deputy commissioner.
As of now, there is a report in favor of the petitioner by the DC, though
So
DC
that
cannot give.
say, because, my lord,
And your lordship, the report that 2022 notification, that is at the time of initial issue. Once caste certificate has been issued, all this organization has got no authority. If there is any complaint, it has to be by the caste scrutiny committee who should take jurisdiction. These committees cannot do even field verification. All these are at the time of issuance of the caste. I have been already issued valid caste certificate. Now, as long as this caste certificate has been there, I should give in all the benefits, including reservation, protection from other offenses. All these benefits I should enjoy when this caste is still there. And there is a report from the DC now, though he cannot give a report in favor of my genuineness. So till tomorrow, if it founds to be genuine, I would be, the balance of convenience in favor of me, I would be denied of this admission. So like in other cases, your lordship has passed an order earlier, and there's another order by our court only where provisional admission was given.
But in those cases,
In one case, it's though caste certificate was cancelled, your lordship may come to paragraph 8. Here, the issue was regarding complaint. And this is your lordship as well. Page 3.
My lord, there, whatever submitted by the my lord, initially, my lord, caste certificate issued by the deputy commissioner. Then subsequently, government has issued this notification by saying that its re-verification is required.
after the direction of the Supreme
After the
Court.
direction of the Supreme Court, my lord. Therefore, my lord, we have initiated the re-verification. Then, my lord,
But then you are going to the wrong channel.
no, my lord. Because, my lord, director of T-tax cannot coordinate with other department, my lord. He has to send to the deputy commissioner. Accordingly, this is sent, my lord. Last letter, my lord, it is sent to the deputy commissioner.
This is
Now, my lord, deputy commissioner will require to place before the committee, my lord.
As the deputy commissioner placed before the committee.
That instruction, my lord, today I was just trying to take, my lord, pattern. See, here's,
Tomorrow.
let it be tomorrow, my lord.
You can have the instruction. No, no, but then if the results are announced today.
the third party right to be created. And your lordship,
Otherwise, my lord.
As per my instruction, okay, I am appealing for the state to the matter has not been placed before the committee.
My lord, that I have no instruction because I am just.
Yeah, you are applying for the deputy commissioner also. Isn't it?
My lord.
Here they said they have not got it. Gogoi, the results are being announced today.
yes, yes, it's on basis of their own notification.
Let us see your. That,
Notification, your lordship will find that page 74. Results, column 5, your lordship. And usually results announced in the letter.
There is 21 tab.
If a
Yes,
lord-
my lord, it will,
Lordship
get
sees
them
a
up to 21.
notification pursuant to the Honorable Supreme Court guidelines, it's not necessarily DC. Any person can file a complaint. Even the director of Tea Welfare Tribe, as well as they can take suo moto. It's not necessary this is a channel route. So they were sitting all this while
My lord,
for 3-4 months. Now
that will
let
be,
them place it before scrutiny, caste scrutiny committee. There's no doubt. Let them place it. But till then, my right should not be denied. I should be given provisional admission subject to the outcome of the writ
because my
petition.
lord, if he is coming on the basis, that put on the basis of the tea garden, he have to establish my lord part.
My caste certificate
Because
is
my
there.
lord, that
You know,
is,
it's
that
not-
was specifically made by
not
the
in
tea,
cancel.
for the tea garden, my lord.
My caste certificate
Because
is
my
there.
lord, this-
Caste certificate is still not in cancel.
And beyond that, I don't have
my
to
lord,
establish.
We are not on caste certificate. Subsequently, my lord, government has written notification to they have declared for re-verification. Accordingly, we have to re-verify. Because my lord, without ascertaining his caste under that quota, my lord, he cannot get it, my lord. Let him first establish that he come to the next category, my lord. Tea garden or ex-tea garden, my lord.
One thing more, my lord, whether the petitioner otherwise
Yeah,
on
that-
merit, whether she will get a seat or not.
Yes.
That
That-
will have, also will have to be looked into, blocking a seat, my lord, at this stage.
No, I'm not praying.
If she is otherwise entitled,
Yes,
supposedly,
yes.
my lord, she has the, my lord, this counter signature of the director, whether she will get or not.
Yeah, that's a very fair submission. I agree, Your Lordship. If otherwise eligible on merit, I'm not praying for a direction the admission should be given. Only without insisting on the countersign.
No, I'll pass an order to keep provisional admission.
If on merit.
If the petitioner is entitled on merit.
Yes.
Lordship.
All right.
Or insisting on it. And it will be a provisional admission.
Because provisional admission would be.
The lordship will post it on, my lord, either this Wednesday or on Friday. ma'am. At least let's say they fix the place, whether, when they are going to place it before the committee.
Okay, heard Mr.
Friday. my lord.
R. Sharma,
Yes.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. No. Alright. A petitioner before this court is a candidate seeking admission in the first year
First.
MBBS oblique BTS
Yes.
course under the Director of Medical Education, Assam, in the category of TGL oblique X TGL.
OBC.
community. Now, the grievance of the petition is that the certificate of the grievance of the petitioner is that the certificate for TGL oblique X TGL community within bracket annexure Roman 6 has been signed by the, who signed it, Assistant Commissioner,
Yes.
by the Assistant Commissioner.
But the Deputy Commissioner.
No,
But signature is assistant, right?
Sonitpur,
Yes.
what is it?
Sonitpur district.
Sonitpur district. However, on 19/6/22. However, the Director of Tea Welfare Government of Assam has not considered, has not countersigned the said certificate. And stop. But in the meantime, the petitioner also appeared in the counseling process.
Yes.
And the results would be declared today, i.e. 21/10/2024. In terms of the educational notice dated 14th October 2024. Issued by the Director of Medical Education. Stop. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submit that the TGL oblique X TGL. No, that the certificate for TGL oblique X TGL community issued to the petitioner has not been cancelled till date. And the till date, and therefore the said certificate is still a valid document. It is also submitted that on the basis of the letter of the communication dated 28th August 2024, written by the Director Tea Tribes and Adivasi Welfare, Assam, to the, an address to the District Commissioner, Sonitpur District, wherein a request was made for re-verification of the caste status of petitioner, the Deputy Commissioner, the Additional District Commissioner, Sonitpur, Tezpur, on 13/9/2024, had written back to the Director, Tea Tribes and Adivasi Welfare, informing that the caste certificate in respect of the petition is found to be genuine as per the circle officer Facebook Sata Revenue Circle report. However, as the certificate of PGL of ex-PGL coming in respect of the petition has not been countersigned by the Director of Tea Welfare Government of Assam. The petitioner is apprehensive that he or she may not be selected for admission into the first year MBBS of the PTS court under the Director of Regularization. Mr. P. Cycle, Leonard Governor, appearing on behalf of the, what is it, Tea Welfare?
Director of
Appearing on behalf of the Director.
Tea Tribes and Adivasi Welfare, sir.
Appearing on behalf of Director.
Tea Tribes and Adivasi Welfare, sir.
Tea Tribe.
Yes,
and
one number
Adivasi,
Welfare, Assam.
Tea Tribe and Adivasi Welfare Assam. As well as on behalf of the District Commissioner. Sonitpur. Submits that after the communication dated, after the communication dated 28 August 2024, written by the Director Tea Tribes and Adivasi Welfare, the the District Commissioner should have forwarded the matter to the Caste Scrutiny Committee constituted for the purpose. Stop. However, he is unaware as to whether the case of the petition has been forwarded for scrutiny before the concerned committee. Stop. For Mr. R.M. Das, Leonard, Standing Counsel, Caste Scrutiny Committee. On the other hand, submits that till date, the committee has not received any communication from the District Commissioner, Sonitpur, with regard to the scrutiny of the caste certificate of the petition. Or I'll issue notice then, or you want instructions to come back?
Instruction.
Okay.
Your lordship may record my statement that manner pursuant to this manner, education notice dated 14th of October 24 at page 74. The counseling results will be declared today. That's the third round of counseling.
Mr. B. Gogoi, for Leonard Standing Counsel, Health Department.
My lord.
Submit that in view of the counseling notice, educational notice,
That is 14th of
14th October 2024. The final results of the counseling would be declared today, I 21/10/2023. And therefore, place for some time to enable him to receive better. You want to take instructions?
Yes, my lord. Lord Civil, my lord, what I pray, my lord, that Lord Civil Director of Medical Education to verify the rank of the petitioner without insisting for this particular certificate.
No, I'm not saying anything.
Then one seat may be kept vacant on my lord Wednesday, day after tomorrow, I will place it, whether she is otherwise entitled on merit or not. If that is passed, my lord, everything will be clear. She can fight for the certificate as a different issue, because in future she will require it, if she wants to pursue the medical course. But my lord, on merit, if she gets my lord, in that case, my lord, it will be a different situation.
Sometime to enable him to. Accordingly. This the matter of, you want it on Wednesday?
Yes, I can place it.
On 23rd October.
Or lordship on Thursday, because still results, my lord, reporting of time is still 22 to 23. So let it be on my lord.
On 24th.
Thursday.
Difficulty happened. Wednesday को लेना।
Then Wednesday, I can come. 23rd.
But in the interview, the which respondent?
The Director of Medical Education.
Director of Medical Education.
Assam.
Assam. Oblique respondent number
4.
four. Shall keep one seat vacant in the first year MBBS of the BDS course till the next.
Under the TGL.
Under the-
CGL category.
Yes.
Under the DGL oblique XPGL comment. Category.
Lord, one more line, Lord, may I add, my lord, that I will have instruction whether on merit the petitioner is otherwise entitled for a seat or not. In the
Yes.
particular category.
On top, you should praise for sometimes they never praise it. As to whether the petitioner is entitled to
A seat in that category
a seat in the category under the TGL oblique.
on merit.
Obvious.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. I beg to trouble your lordship over item number 43. I was on legs, Your Lordship. Item number 43. It's an order item.
What order was passed?
Yes, in fact, the item number 43 need not be heard today. The matter had come up in the orders column. Pursuant to an order dated 12/2/2024, I was directed to file an affidavit. The affidavit has been filed. Item number 43, Your Lordship. I apologize, Your Lordship.
Need to take over. What is order?
It's a review petition, Your Lordship. The matter pertains to us bringing on record certain instructions, which was directed on 12th of February 2024. That is the last order.
Yes.
Yes, pursuant to that, Your Lordship, we had filed the affidavit on 24/4. So the pleadings are completed. So the matter may come up subject to Your Lordship's convenience on a day as per Your Lordship's decide for admission, Your Lordship. The pleadings are completed. In fact, on the last occasion, this honorable court had directed an additional set of instructions to be brought on record.
Okay, cancel the call. But where's the Kaushik?
In fact, the onus today fell on me to satisfy this court that we had filed and complied with the earlier order. If my B. Kaushik was here, presumably he's not here because the roster was over, Your Lordship. So yes, I'll inform Mr. B. Kaushik accordingly.
Mr. M. Sharma, the counsel for the petition. But in terms of the order dated 12/2/2024, the petitioner has filed an affidavit.
Yes.
On
Additional affidavit on 24/4/2024.
filed an additional affidavit on 24/4/2024.
Yes,
Bringing on record certain documents.
yes.
Mr. B. Kaushik, standing counsel. Okay. Please the matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. I'm grateful, Your Lordship.